Bitcoin loses support. Let's kind of talk about what's happening and why this is happening. Okay, so right now the crypto market's just, pretty much doing nothing. It's been down like a lot more than it has been down in other weeks. As we all know, the market cap was at like around 3.23 trillion, and XRP took a pretty big hit. Bitcoin took a big hit. Ethereum took a big hit. So everything's not looking too great right now. The fear and greed scale is at around 50 like a week or two ago, and now it's at 34. So right now everything's a little bit down, and we're going to be talking about why this is happening and why Bitcoin lost this $90,000 support level that it was staying steady at and staying above. Okay, so let's get into this. All right, so they lose the $90,000 support. Bitcoin loses the $90 support despite Trump's softer Greenland stance. We know that his stance was pretty firm on it a little bit ago, where Trump was basically saying these tariffs are being imposed on you guys if you guys aren't kind of with me on this, aren't with me in annexing Greenland to the U.S. He's like, this is what I'm doing. If you're not with me, I'm opposing these tariffs on you guys, and it's not going to be good for you guys. So you better get with the program. And so we see this, that the president of the United States threatened to impose a new set of 10% tariffs against those nations as of February 1st if they don't back down and allow a deal to be made. So this is already kind of like showing how, it's January 23rd that they're recording this video, and February 1st is coming soon. So it's just a ton of political uncertainty right now. So the EU, these nations scheduled an emergency meeting because like, we got to talk about this, guys. We're about to get huge tariffs imposed on us, and we trade a lot. We put a lot of our goods to the U.S., and we can't afford this 10% tariff. And it was going to go up to a 25% tariff if they didn't accept and they didn't get with the program. So we saw that Bitcoin traded $95,000 during the weekend. I think this was like a week ago. It was at 95,000. It was holding pretty strong there too. It remained calm until Asian future markets opened on Monday morning. It quickly broke down to 92 grand and then under 90,000, which was that $90,000 support level. It dipped below 88,000 on Wednesday morning before rallying back to 90,000 after Trump said during his Davos speech that he wouldn't use force to take over Greenland. This kind of just shows how much political issues and tensions have on the crypto market. It swings it. Right now we're just taking punch after punch. We've had not exactly what we wanted in the Clarity Act. And then we had Trump trying to take Greenland and force tariffs on these these countries over there. And so right now we just have a lot of political stuff right now that's going on. And we're taking punch after punch. And all we really have to do is we just have to sit here and just kind of take it. We can't do anything about what is happening right now. So we saw it hit a multi-week low of $87,200, excuse me. The violent swings continue with another challenge at 90,000. This time it came after Trump canceled the tariffs against the EU after hinting at reaching a potential deal. So Trump is kind of cooling off. He's canceling the tariffs. Well, as of press time, there are no actual details about the said deal. Okay, so there's no details about like the deal that could have been made or anything, but Trump is cooling off a little bit. But as of right now, anything really political that causes tension hurts the crypto market. And we're just seeing this right now. We're seeing this play out. Even if it's not the worst thing to happen, it doesn't really really affect anything. People still get uncertain and people get scared and they pull their money out of the crypto market. That kind of just always has happened. And so we're just taking punch after punch right now, and we're just going to get through this. So it's failed to recapture the $90,000 level and now sits a grand lower. It's at 89.5 right now, so it's not too much below. And we saw a 6.5% weekly decline, but we've seen a lot more. Yeah, it's relatively modest compared to some altcoins. We've seen XRP take huge hits. I don't know the exact percentage, but we've seen Ethereum and all these Bitcoins. We've seen them take, honestly, far bigger hits than Bitcoin. Bitcoin was staying strong, and it hasn't taken a huge hit like some other of these coins. So you can look at this, the market data. You can pause this real quick, but I'm going to keep on going, guys. All right. So just some other things that are kind of important right now, and I would like to mention. So we can see that when Bitcoin's price struggles, which it is right now due to uncertainty and political tensions and kind of things just going on in the world, gold has skyrocketed because people have pulled their money out of crypto. They're like, okay, crypto doesn't feel safe right now. I'm kind of scared of what's happening. So I'm going to come over here and put my money in gold that is proven to just be a long-term asset that is kind of well known to not. Gold doesn't really move like that like Bitcoin and the crypto market does. It's not as volatile as the crypto market is, especially right now. So we can also see that despite the growing political tension and underwhelming price movements, Strategy Sailor continues to accumulate Bitcoin. So a lot of these companies right now could also be accumulating, and I believe a good amount of them are buying some Bitcoin as of right now because it's down right now. It's not doing the greatest right now. So they're going to buy the dip. And its latest purchase announced on Tuesday, the company said acquired whopping 22,305 Bitcoin for over $2.1 billion. So we do probably have, I mean, obviously we don't have a list of all the companies that are putting their money into Bitcoin and crypto. But right now, when crypto and Bitcoin is down, I definitely see companies pouring some liquidity into Bitcoin because it is down right now. And I think we'll definitely bounce back, guys. This is just stuff that's happening right now. Nothing real, like a huge event, but we're kind of just a multitude of punches. We're taking the Clarity Act punch, we're taking the Greenland and all those punches. We're just taking a ton of political punches right now, guys, and we're just gonna have to get through this. There's nothing we can do. We just got to position yourself in the right position to make some money at the end of the day. And that's all I have for you guys right now. Remember, if you like what I'm doing, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I really do appreciate you guys and all your support. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.